Hello, my dear students. Welcome to science class. Here we are going to begin with the lesson 16. Look, learn, and experience. See, children, this is the last lesson of your textbook, and here we will end the portion. I hope you have completed all the previous chapters in the workbook and gone through the videos. See, children, here in this lesson we are going to study about the materials from which the things are made. Means here exactly we are going to learn about the state of matter. Matter is anything, matter is any substance or a thing from which your things are made out. For example, you talk about a chair. Chair is made of wood. And what is wood? Wood is a solid substance. Like that, we are going to study about the different states of matter. And matter is anything which occupies a space. Means matter वो चीज़ है, वही सामान है that occupies a space. Even you will tell that air is also a matter. आप बोलोगे air कहाँ space लेता है? You can see the examples of a balloon which is filled with air. Means the balloon is very small, but when we fill air in it, it becomes very big. So you can take that example that air occupies space, means matter occupies space. Even if you can take inflated tires, the tires which are without air are a flat type of tires, and the tires which are inflated or filled with air, that are heavy also. So you can say here the substances which occupy space is called as what? Matter. And here matter is made up of three things, that is solid, liquid, and even gas. And that all has weight also. This matter has weight. Any substance you take up, that will have weight. So in this chapter we are going to study about that. So this is your first page. All the writing work you have to do in the workbook, that I'll be sending you the notes. In the textbook only you have to just go through the textbook. Nothing to write in the textbook. Page number 118. So here you have to write down. So many things are given here and what it is made up of. So you can write down door is made up of wood, or sometimes the door is made up of metal, or even the door is made up of what we say, plastic type material, which we call it as what? PVC or like such material. Now chapati, you know, chapati is made out of what? Flour. Flour matlab atta, FLOUR. It can be any flour, rice, wheat, jowar, etc. Spectacles are made out of plastic also, metal also, and glass also. Then bucket is made up of plastic, or sometimes it is made up of steel or aluminium. Spoon is made up of plastic, aluminium, melamine, and so many, even glass like that. That is called as china clay. Shoes are made out of leather. Shoes are even made out of plastic. Shoes are made of rubber. Shoes are made of PVC plastic. Book is made up of papers. So like this you have to write down. I'll give you the notes. Now turn your page on 119. Here also you have to encircle the things which are having weight or mass. मतलब वजन किस में होता है. So water, yes, there is weight. You know half liter water and weight होता है खाली बॉटल और भरी हुई बॉटल में. Brick, kerosene, bag, smoke, ice, man, air, milk, cloth, wheat, stone, paper, pen. Everything has what? Weight. Even air has weight और mass. Air में भी वजन होता है. आप एक खाली टायर उठाइए और एक भरा हुआ टायर उठाइए, उसमें वेट होगा ही होगा. So everything has what? Weight. Now collect the things like leaf, nail, water, eraser, chalk. Use a pencil to draw and outline them. So you have to draw the figures. For one example is given here, figure of a leaf. Like that you have to draw figure of nail. Nail मतलब आपका नाखून नहीं, nail मतलब यहाँ पर होता है खिल्ली. वाटर किस में भरोगे आप? वाटर पानी में, बॉटल में भरोगे या ग्लास में भरोगे, वैसे आपको दिखाना है. इरेजर एंड चॉक. यू हैव टू आउटलाइन द फिगर. सो हियर 3 points in the blue box are important. Everything is made up of matter. Everything has weight और मास. मतलब कोई भी चीज़ मैटर से बनी हुई है और हर एक चीज़ का वेट होता है, मतलब मास, वजन होता है. Everything occupies space, whether it is air or smoke. So air also has occupies space and air has weight. So I hope you understood till here. So everything is made up of matter. Matter is a thing which occupies space and has weight. Now one more activity is there on page 120. Here you have to take 3 transparent glasses and 3 transparent bowls. Fill with water, stone and smoke and observe them. Here you have to write down what will happen to water. See, water will take up the shape of the glass cup also and glass bowl also. That shape of the water will change. Stone does not take shape of the glass or bowl, it will remain the same. Smoke, no shape at all, it will spread up everywhere. So this activity I'll do in the workbook, I'll give you. Next activity is, in the tables, names of solid, liquid and gaseous substances are written. You write few more names. So suppose here liquid के नाम लिखे, milk, water, petrol. What are liquid substances? Which occupy space and changes its shape. मतलब उसका कोई शेप नहीं होता है. पतली बॉटल में भरो पानी को तो वैसा शेप दिखेगा, आप पानी को ड्रम में भरो तो आपको वैसा शेप दिखेगा. सो लिक्विड का कोई शेप नहीं होता है. इट टेक्स द शेप ऑफ द कंटेनर इन विच इट इज़ फिल्ड. जिसमें आप उसको भरोगे उसका शेप वो ले लेगा. दैट इज कॉल्ड एज वॉट लिक्विड. बट लिक्विड जगह रोकता है, लिक्विड में वेट होता है, एवरीथिंग इज देयर. सो हियर यू हैव टू राइट डाउन द नेम्स ऑफ लिक्विड substances like milk, water, petrol are given. I will give you other more names. So liquid में क्या खासियत है? It has weight, it occupies space, but it takes the shape of the container in which it is filled. Next page is 121. Substances like stone which do not change their shape or volume are called solid substances. मतलब जिसका shape change नहीं होता है, जिसकी जगह change नहीं होती है, they are called as what? Solid. आप इसमें बहुत सारे solid substances का नाम लिख सकते हो. Eraser, bed, chair, wood, purse, bag. ये सब का शेप चेंज होता नहीं है. दे आर कॉल्ड एज सॉलिड सब्सटेंसेज. द थर्ड टाइप ऑफ सब्सटेंस इज स्मोक. मीन्स एयर. मीन्स व्हेन इट इज ट्रांसफॉर्म फ्रॉम वन कंटेनर टू अदर इट चेंजेस इट शेप एंड उसका स्पेस भी ऑक्यूपाई कर लेगा. अगर ग्लास में होगा तो ग्लास जितना शेप ले लेगा, ग्लास का स्पेस ले लेगा. जैसे गैस है, आज आप देखो हवा में गैस है, सब जगह पर एयर है, तो इट ऑक्यूपाइज द एंटायर स्पेस. जितना आप उसको स्पेस देंगे उतना वो शेप ले लेगा. तो यहाँ पर आपको गैशियस सब्सटेंसेस के नाम लिखने हैं. सो हियर इन दिस लेसन वी हैव लर्नड अबाउट मैटर. मैटर की क्या प्रॉपर्टीज़ होती है? इट ऑक्यूपाई स्पेस, इट एक्सर्ट्स प्रेशर, इट हैज़ वेट और मास. एंड देर आर 3 टाइप्स ऑफ मैटर्स, दैट इज सॉलिड, लिक्विड एंड गैशियस. सो हियर वन एक्टिविटी इज गिवन हियर. द फ्यू नेम्स आर गिवन हियर. सॉल्ट, इट इज़ अ सॉलिड. Leather also solid. Milk liquid. Charcoal solid. Air gas. Diesel liquid. Buttermilk liquid. Steam gas. Wood solid. Factory smoke gas. Oxygen gas and kerosene also liquid. So these are the answers which I'll be giving in your workbook. Now page 122 children. So here we have learnt about solid, liquid and gases. This also you have learnt in the lower standard. Here other discussions are given here. Activity. What is pant made up of? Cloth and cotton. And what is the source? Plant. Like the table is made up of wood. What is the source? Plant. Belt is made up of leather. What is the source of leather? That is we get from animals. Like this you have to fill up the table. I'll be giving this in your workbook. So now reading part, we get everything from our environment. So whatever things or matter is there, we get it from the environment. If we do not get all these things, then we would have to face many troubles. अगर हमको ये सब सामान नहीं मिलेगा प्लांट में से और एनिमल्स में से, तो हम लोग का लाइफ कैसे चलेगा? सो वी मस्ट प्रोटेक्ट आवर एनवायरमेंट. वी गेट ऑल द थिंग्स फ्रॉम द एनवायरमेंट. वी गेट सो मेनी थिंग्स फ्रॉम द नेचर, फॉरेस्ट एंड ट्रीज एंड एनिमल्स प्रोवाइड अस विथ सो मेनी थिंग्स. And even petrol and everything we get from the minerals which are there below the earth's crust. So we get all the petrol, diesel, kerosene. We have to save everything and we have to save our environment, because environment gives us all the things required for our life. So we must use these natural resources judicially. So whatever things we are getting from nature, they are called as natural resources. So what are natural resources? The things which we get from nature for our purpose or for our daily use or for our different varieties of uses. It is called as what? Natural substances. So we should protect our nature and we should use them properly. Now come on the next page, last page. The thing is written milk. So what is a natural resource? You can write cow or what you can write buffalo. Iron, what is a natural resource? That stones or rocks, from that we get iron. Rice, what is a natural resource? Plant. Water, what is a natural resource? Rain, you can write down. River, you can write down. Cloth, what is a natural resource? Cotton. Oxygen, natural resource is air. Petrol, again we get it from rocks and minerals. And steam, we get it from water. So these are the natural resources. All these notes I will be sending you children. So remember here, iron, rice and cloth are solid substance. Milk, water and petrol are liquid substance. Steam, oxygen and smoke are gaseous substances. So here in this lesson we have learned that everything is made up of matter, properties of matter and the different states of matter, solid, liquid and gas. And we get so many things and we are making so many things out of the natural resources. Environment is providing us so many things, so we should use them properly, wisely. We should protect our environment so that we get all these things permanently and always from the nature. Even petrol is very rare thing nowadays, so we have to use it judiciously. Don't waste any petrol or water, because in future can face its crisis. So here one box is given: preserve and protect every tree for a glorious future of our country. Earth and water need protection for prosperous growth of any nation. So it is a poem, it is a proverb, we can tell it is a slogan. Preserve and protect every tree for glorious of our future of our country. Earth and water need protection for prosperous growth of any nation. So I hope you have understood this lesson, children. Please go through this video properly, write the notes carefully in your workbook. This lesson is also included in your final exam. Soon we will be sending you all the details of the exam, but go through the video and ask any doubts in your WhatsApp group. Okay children, bye and thank you.